In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Walmart gift card. Whether you have a physical card or an e-gift card, the process is straightforward and offers flexibility to make purchases either online or in-store. Let's dive in. If you're planning to redeem your Walmart gift card online, you have a couple of options. You can do this by visiting walmart.com or by using the Walmart app. Start by heading to walmart.com or opening the Walmart app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your Walmart account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. This will make future shopping experiences smoother. Once you're logged in, begin adding the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. When you're ready to check out, you'll find yourself at the payment method section. This is where you can apply your gift card. Look for the option labeled gift card under payment method. You'll need to enter your gift card number along with the PIN. For physical cards, flip the card over and gently scratch off the silver coating to reveal the number. Once the details are in, proceed with your purchase by clicking on Continue to Checkout. The gift card balance will be applied to your total amount due. Now, if you'd rather use your Walmart gift card for an in-store purchase, the process is even simpler. Whether you have a physical gift card or an electronic one that you received via email, head to your nearest Walmart store. When you finish shopping, take your items to the checkout counter. You can hand your gift card to the cashier, or if you prefer the do-it-yourself approach, you can scan the card at the self-checkout station. The balance on your gift card will automatically reduce the total cost of your purchase no matter how you choose to pay. It's that easy. So, there you have it. Whether you're redeeming your gift card online or in person, Walmart makes it quick and convenient for you to use your gift card balance. Hopefully, this guide has made the process crystal clear so you can confidently go ahead and make the most of your gift card. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping at Walmart.